John Deere X300 and X500 Select Series tractors are designed to mow efficiently and deliver a smooth and level cut. For best results, the mower deck must be level both side to side and front to rear. In this video, we'll show you how the Exact Adjust system makes leveling the mower quick work. To do this job, you'll need a tire air pressure gauge, the mower gauge, Exact Adjust wrench, and 18mm wrench. To start the job, park the mower safely on a hard, flat surface with the engine shut off, parking brake set, and key removed. Ensure the tires are correctly inflated. Check your operator's manual for the exact tire pressure and important safety information. Raise the mower, then place the mower cutting height knob at the position identified for deck leveling. Lower the mower and verify that the mower wheels are not contacting the ground surface. If necessary, raise the mower wheels. Then place the Exact Adjust gauge under the mower at the adjustment point near the left rear corner. The Exact Adjust gauge should lightly contact the deck rim. If the gauge does not just slip under the deck rim or the gap is too big, insert the Exact Adjust wrench into the top port opening on the fender deck until the end of the wrench meets the adjustment bolt. Turn the wrench clockwise to raise the mower or counterclockwise to lower. Place the gauge under the mower at the right rear adjustment point and raise or lower the mower if necessary. If an adjustment of more than 1/8 inch is required, adjust both points alternately. Next, check the mower front to back level at the front adjustment point on the left front deck hanger bracket. If necessary to adjust, use an 18mm wrench to loosen the rear nuts on each of the front lift rods. Then, turn the front nuts equally on each side, clockwise to raise the front of the mower or counterclockwise to lower it, until the gauge just slips under the front adjustment point. Tighten the rear nuts on the front lift rods with an 18mm wrench. Fully raise the mower, adjust the height control knob to the desired cutting height, and lower the mower. Adjust mower wheels to the lowest position where they are at least 1/4 inch off the ground. The wheels carry the mower deck over any higher areas in the lawn to give it a smooth, even cut. And return the deck gauge and mower deck leveling wrench to their storage position under the seat. Now your tractor is ready to mow. For other tractor tasks, check out the other mower maintenance programs. Proper maintenance is the best way to make sure your tractor starts quickly, runs efficiently, and mows a beautiful lawn.